Everyone. Today we are going to be working on your scholarship essay as part of your senior exit project. So, your objective today is to find an old essay and then you are going to show your improved skills as a writer by revising it. Then, after that, you're going to take some time to reflect on how you've grown as a writer. So, your first task, what your final product is to take an old essay, preferably something from early high school, such as your ninth grade year or your 10th grade year, and you're going to revise it. And you're going to make significant changes to it as you revise it. Afterwards, you're going to take some time to reflect on the changes and how you've grown as a writer. So, this is the rubric for how you're going to be scored. You're going to earn a 5-6 for the reflection part of your scholarship essay. So after you have made some significant changes and revised one of your essays, you're going to be writing about a half page to a page reflection on the changes that you made. So you'll earn a 5-6 if that reflection that you write is thoughtful, reveals what you have reflected on with the essay, and how to revise using genuinely engaged with the process of revising. You'll earn a 5-6 for the actual revisions that you made if you show that you have made some significant changes to your writing, you've strengthened it, and it is even better than it was before. So, looking at the instructions, remember you're going to find an old essay from high school. If you didn't go to Great Oak, you can choose an essay from a different school. Or if you don't have access to any of these things, you can use something from this year, like Into the Wild, and revise that if worst comes to worst. Now, it says you must include the prompt, but most likely you don't have the prompt written on your essay. So, what you can do is kind of reverse engineer this prompt by looking at your thesis statement and thinking about what was my teacher asking me to prove in this essay. So, you could say something just as simple as write an argument about blah, 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 and then you can craft an essay from there. You can upload pictures of it if it was handwritten, or you can upload a Google Doc if you have it already typed out. After that, you're going to take some time to revise your essay. The revision has to be typed and it should show obvious revision. Now, revision is different than editing. Revision is having a new vision of your writing. It means making significant changes. That might mean you're deleting entire paragraphs. That might mean scrapping the whole original and starting over. It might mean making some huge changes to your commentary or to your evidence. And so this is going to be not just a simple, like, oh, I didn't spell this correctly, let me change it kind of thing. This is going to be you really showing off the skills that you've gained as a writer. Afterwards, you're going to write, like I said, a half page to a page reflection on what you learned during this process and how you've grown as a writer. So, this is due March 2nd. You're going to upload these items to Google Classroom in your scholarship page, your original prompt and the original essay, your revised essay, and the scholarship reflection. So, we are going to be working on this on Thursday, Friday, and then also on the asynchronous Monday. What you'll notice here are all of these different collaboration boards. This is meant to help guide you through the process so that you can work on this independently and so that I can be available to you guys for conferences. So you're going to let me know which old essay are you going to revise, and you'll answer this question here. Then you're going to tell me what was the prompt. There are some open-ended questions to help guide you, and then you're going to take some time to pause and revise. Now, one thing that I really recommend everyone needs to do is if you have the original typed, you need to make a copy of the original. That way you can make some revisions on the copy and not on the revision. So what that might look like is coming over here. We have a document here. Let's say this is my original. I'm going to click File, and then I will click Make a Copy. And then from there, I will be able to type on this. I'm going to change the name to revised, and that's what you guys are going to do as well. So make sure that you change the name to the revised version of your essay. You'll click OK, and then you're going to start typing on the revision, not on the original document. So you are going to take some time to revise it, make big, meaningful changes, impress me, highlight the changes that you make in yellow so I can see specifically which areas you changed and improved. If you are stuck, please set up a writing conference with Mrs. Kelly or me, and we would be glad to give you some pointers. You can text us in the Zoom chat box, or you can also sign up for intervention. After you've done that, you're going to reflect on what you've changed by doing a really short tweet on this collaboration board, just letting us know what are some of those changes. And then you're going to write your reflection, which you'll tell us what did you revise, how did you improve it, did you work on your focus, answering the prompt, what are you proud of? So you'll take some time to write that. Now, the submission part, I want to go through this clearly so that you guys understand what you're going to do to submit. You are going to first put everything in your scholarship section of your website. So you're going to post the original essay, your revised essay, and then the half page, 1 page reflection. This is all going to go under that scholarship section. So let me show you an example. Here's our friend Zachary. We come over here to senior year, and when we click on scholarship, we're going to see that he has the original, he has the revision, and he has his reflection. So that is what you are going to do. After you have posted all of this on your website, you are going to take a screenshot of this, proving to me that you have uploaded this. Once you have taken a screenshot, you are then going to submit all of these things again, but to Google Classroom. So you'll submit your original essay, your revised essay, the half page reflection, and in addition, that screenshot that you just took of your website with the essay uploaded. The last thing you're going to do is write a private comment telling me what you earned on this rubric for all of the work you completed, and then you are all finished. Remember, this is due on March 2nd. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.